I'm back mga kabayan! Welcome to our DIY Thursday! If you remember recently, I posted my recipe about nasi goreng and I mentioned yung magic sauce na ginagamit natin to make it delicious called Kecap mayonnaise. We received a few questions how to make it and where to buy it. Well, guess what? Hindi po namin binili, ginawa lang namin to at home. So today I'll show you the tip how to easily make it at home. So para sa shortcut version of this ketchup mayonnaise sauce, we only need 2 ingredients. Half a cup of soy sauce and 3/8 cup of brown sugar. Yung 3/8 cup po natin is 1/4 plus 1/8. So a little less than half a cup of brown sugar. We boil it on a medium heat. Papabayaan lang natin mag-boil but we avoid to overboil it. So we keep mixing it until the sauce thickens, resembling like a maple syrup. But remember, pag hinain po natin to or linagay sa ating maliit na bowl at papalamigin, lalo pa tong lalapot. So it's always practical, no? Instead of buying a whole, say, bottle of a certain kind of sauce, if we find something that we can make at home naman and we have the ingredients, it's always practical. So that's it. That's how we make the ketchup mayonnaise, the shortcut version. I hope this DIY Thursday helped you and will inspire you better to make nasi goreng soon. Thank you.